Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it has been around since 1995. And in that time, it has become a larger language of choice for developers, building all sorts of applications from desktop software to web applications, and even Android mobile apps. But as we are into this year of many opportunities with so many new and emerging programming language out there, is it is still worth learning Java? So in this video, guys, we'll take a look at the pros and the cons of learning Java in this year and many years to come if you're there. So and they help you to decide whether it is a right language for you guys to take. Okay, but before we dive in, guys, consider subscribing to the channel, guys. We always come up with the great content for you guys. So do me a favor by subscribing to the channel, guys. So smash the like button also to give this video thumbs up. So no further ado, let's dive in. Okay, as a software engineer, I have worked with Java for many years, and I can tell you that it is still a very relevant language even in this year, guys. One of the greatest things about Java is its stability. It is a mature language that is been around for a long time, and as a result, it is a very well established in the industry. This means that there are a lot of resources out there for people who want to learn Java, and that there is a huge community of Java developers who can offer support and advice. That's a great point, guys. So, with Java being such a popular language, there are countless resources available for people who want to learn it. From online courses and tutorials to ebook and forums, you will never be short of learning materials. Okay, at our company, we still use Java extensively for a lot of our projects. We find that it is a great language for building scalable enterprise level applications. It is also a language that is in high demand. So if you have a Java skills, it can be very beneficial for your career, guys. And that is true. According to recent surveys, Java is still one of the top programming languages in terms of job demand and the salary potential. So, if you're looking to build a career in software development, learning Java could be a smart move. Okay, however, it is important to note that while Java is a great language, it is not necessarily the best language for every situation. You have to note that. While Java is a great language, it is not necessarily the best language for every situation. For example, if you're looking to build a website or mobile app, you might find that other languages like JavaScript or Swift are more appropriate. That is good point, guys. Different programming languages have different strengths and the weaknesses. So, and the choice of language will depend on what you are trying to build. So, if you are considering learning Java, it is important to think about what the kind of projects you want to work on. Okay, personally, I think it is a good idea to learn Java. And if you are also interested in other languages, that Java has a lot of features and the concept that are shared by many other languages. So if you are understand Java well, you will have an easier time to learn other language later on. That is a great point. Learning Java can be a great foundation for your programming skills, even if you end up working with other languages down the line. So, what many there are many things that people should know about Java, especially if you are considering learning the language or using Java in their development or work. So if you are passionate in Java and you want to learn it, yeah, so here are a few of the key points you need to take note, guys. The first one is that Java is used for a wide range of applications. Java is commonly used for developing desktop applications, web applications, and even mobile applications for Android. It is also used in a variety of industries from finance to healthcare to gaming. Also, the thing number two you need to take into your mind, guys, Java has a larger and active community. With its long history and a widespread use, Java has a larger and active community of developers and users. This means that there are countless resources available for learning Java and getting help when you need it, guys. And the thing number three you need to take into your mind, guys, Java has a lot of built-in libraries and tools. Java comes with a larger standard library that provides a wide range of functionality, from networking to security to database access. There are also many third-party libraries and tools available that can make development in Java faster and easier. The thing number four you need to take into mind, guys, Java has some unique features. Java has some features that set it apart from other programming languages, such as the ability to handle exceptions and the use of Java virtual machine. Understanding these features can help you write better and more efficient code in Java. The thing number five you need to take into account, guys, you need to take into your mind regarding Java. Java is in high demand. As mentioned earlier in this video, Java is one of the most in-demand programming languages in the industry. This means that there are many jobs opportunities available for Java developers, and learning Java can be a smart move for your career, guys. But what if you are interested in learning as a programming language? So if you are considering learning programming languages other than Java, there are many great options to choose from. But here in this video are a few things to keep in mind as you explore different languages. The first thing you need to keep in mind that consider your goals. Before you choose a programming language to learn, think about your goals. What do you want to build? What kind of development work do you want to do? Different languages are better suited for different applications. So understanding your goals can help you choose the right language. So the thing number two you need to note is that think about the learning curve. Some programming languages are easier to learn than others. If you are a beginner, you may want to start with language like Python, which has a relatively simple syntax and is easy to learn. So if you have a more experience, you may want to explore more complex languages like C++ and Rust. So also the thing number three you need to consider when you want to learn and other programming languages rather than Java, you need to consider the job market. If you're learning a programming language with the goal of getting a job in the industry, it is important to consider the job market. Some languages are more in demand than others, and some industries may have a preference for certain languages. For example, if you're interested in web development, you may want to learn languages like JavaScript. The thing number four you need to take into mind, guys, when you want to learn other programming language rather than Java, you need to look for resources. As with Java, it is important to have access to resources when you are learning a new language. Look for online tutorials, documentation, and communities where you can get help and support. The thing number five, guys, don't be afraid to experiment. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different languages. You may find that you enjoy working with a language that you didn't expect to like, or that you have a particular talent for a certain kind of programming. So trying out different languages can help you develop a broader skills set and find the tools work best for you. Ultimately, guys, the best programming language for you will depend on your goals, interest, and experience level. By doing your research, experimenting with different languages, and staying curious, you can find the right language to help you achieve your programming goals, guys. But for those interested in learning Java, it is important to understand its object-oriented approach, its use of bytecode and the Java virtual machine, and it is extensive library of built-in and third-party tools. Access to online tutorials, documentation, and communities can also be helpful in learning process, guys. However, it is also important to remember that other programming languages may be better suited to specific goals, that it is worth exploring different options before setting on a language to learn. Considering factors like learning curve, job market, and available resources can help you choose the right language for your needs, guys. And ultimately, whether you choose to learn Java or another programming language, staying curious, open-minded, and willing to experiment can help you to develop the skills you need to success in fast-moving world of software development, guys. Here will is the end of this video, guys. Hope you found this helpful and had some value to you. Consider subscribing to this channel and smash the like button to give this video appreciation. Thank you, and then let me see you in the next video, guys. You guys. You guys. You guys. you guys.